How to fix iPhone speaker low sound problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone speaker sound is really low, then first things first, go ahead and clean your speaker grill, as dust and pocket lint often block the speaker holes and reduce the volume. So simply use a soft toothbrush or small brush and gently brush the bottom speaker grill, and then go ahead and blow air lightly to remove the dust, and make sure not to insert any kind of metal pins or sharp objects, and see if that helps. If not, then simply press the volume up button from the left side of your iPhone in order to put the volume at its fullest, and now launch the settings application on your device and then tap on sounds and haptics. Further, go ahead and increase the ringer and alerts volume, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for change with buttons. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in settings again tap on Bluetooth and then toggle off the toggle button for Bluetooth, as sometimes the sound might be going to the Bluetooth devices that you are connected and not be able to hear it on your iPhone. Also, in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on audio and visual. Here, navigate to phone noise cancellation and toggle off the toggle button for phone noise cancellation. See if your issue was fixed yet, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a quick restart can fix temporary audio glitches on your iPhone. Also, go ahead and check for water in your speaker, as water can make sound very low or muffled, and if your phone has water in it, then simply let it dry for several hours and make sure to keep your iPhone facing downwards. Also, if you are using any kind of phone cases or screen protector that is thick, then sometimes these might block the sound. So remove the case and then test the sound again. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then launch the settings application again and tap on general and then on software update. Further, go ahead and update your iPhone to its latest version, as software bugs sometimes affect your audio. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can test the speakers. So go ahead and try different sounds, such as play music or watch a video or make a call, or simply use speaker mode. And if the sound is low everywhere, then it may be a hardware issue and you might need to take your iPhone to your nearest repair center. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone speaker low sound problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.